What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's episode 11 of the Wilcoxon Challenge, and I'm going to play solo number 11. For those of you that don't know, Charlie Wilcoxon's book, The All-American Drummer, is a classic rudimental snare drum book. It's been around forever. It's got 150 short solos in it, and I'm going to play all 150 of them for this channel. Today, I'm going to follow the same routine I have been. I'm going to play it at 3 different tempos, a slow tempo, a medium tempo, and then a fast tempo. And I'm also going to play it off the right hand and off the left hand. Let's get into it. Oh no, the fridge. Get out of here. The first tempo is 92 beats per minute, which seems kind of slow, but you got to watch out for the 5-stroke rolls and then controlling the double paradiddles. Let's try it. All right, not bad. So those 5-stroke rolls, those double paradiddles, and then the really slow kind of open stroke roll at the end. Just take a little extra control with everything else that's kind of slow happening. Let's try the next tempo. The next tempo I'm doing is 100 beats per minute. It's only 8 clicks faster, except I'm going to try this one off the left hand. Let's give it a go. Oh, stop reading the stickings. Whew. Okay, here we go. Okay, that was all right. I'm still having a lot of trouble not reading the stickings and playing everything off the left hand, so that's like a whole new element to the challenge. Let's move on to the last tempo. The final tempo I'm going to play today is 116 beats per minute, which is pretty fast for those 5-stroke rolls. I really like this solo more and more because it pinpoints my favorite part of building good technique, which is finding a technique that can play fast rolls, controlled open rhythms, and just really finding one technique that can do a lot of things. That way you don't have to change your grip to play really fast rolls and then waste time having to change your grip again to play like really slow syncopated rhythms. So I might put a star by this one as something I want to use while I'm teaching. So this is 116 beats per minute. Let's try it. Okay, so that was our 3 tempos for solo number 11. It's a really good solo that I started to like more and more as I played it because of the reasons I mentioned before. It really requires a good solid technique to play the fast rolls and the slow open rolls and the double paradiddles and then just kind of the syncopated rhythm. So I really like this one a lot. I may revisit this one again in a later video when I start to combine them. So definitely one that's worth playing. As always, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.